Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Well, just one of those days that started out a whole lot different than it ended. I don't think anybody's going to complain because we had rain earlier on today, giving way to drier conditions out there. But those clouds, yeah, they're thin at times, allowing some sunshine through, which you can now see in Muskegon. But they're kind of stubborn, and we were kind of stuck underneath, bulk of the day underneath the clouds. But that will change tomorrow. We'll have a nice end to the weekend. That's obviously not East Grand Rapids. That's Kalamazoo. But overall, we're looking at temperatures pretty seasonal. Average highs this time of year is 53 degrees. So we're very close to that right now. A little bit cooler to the north. We still have a snowpack on the ground across the Straits area and also parts of the UP. The wind out there has been kind of breezy at times today. It's kind of out of the northwest at 14 currently in Grand Rapids, 13 in Muskegon, 17 in Kalamazoo, but that wind's going to die down quite a bit. Well, if you want to see where the clash of two seasons is occurring, it really hasn't moved. It's right along this front, which has been kind of draped right over the mid-Mississippi River Valley, Ohio River Valley, and so just incredible flooding down there. And once again, they're having to deal with it. Fortunately for the spring breakers, once you make it down past that zone of rain and thunderstorms, it's beautiful down into Florida and along the Gulf Coast. But you could certainly see where the two seasons are clashing right here, or the two air masses, and that is where the rain is being squeezed out. You can see the center part of the country, quite chilly out there. And this is the rain over the past 24 hours, and it's quite impressive. Let's take a look at it the past week. By the way, I just looked at Memphis, and they've had over 10 inches of rain just since the beginning of April, and you can follow that all along the Ohio River and much of the Mississippi River towards Memphis and the Paducah area. So just a mess down there, and no surprise, a continuation of more flash flood watches and also warnings down there. And you can see an additional 3 to 6 inches of rain exactly where they don't need it. Notice up towards the Grand Rapids area. We don't have to be concerned about that. But you can see, again, severe weather. Fortunately, that severe weather, not as intense as what it's been lately. It shifts more towards the Gulf Coast. For our futurecast for us tonight, we're going to see partly cloudy conditions develop. Then on Sunday, we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. So we'll use the sunglasses a lot more than what we've had the past couple days. And overall, you could see, yeah, this is snow out there. A sharp cold front moving through, it looks like, during the morning hours on Monday. And that's going to transition over to a few flurries and light snow showers early on Tuesday. So the coldest day is Monday and Tuesday. Nice to see a warm up, though, towards the end of the week, possibly a few 60s by next weekend.